One of the first rules of shopping for Walmart hidden clearance is to grab a cart. You're going to think, I may not find anything, and then you're going to go in, you're going to hit a jackpot. Like this one. 80% of the stuff right here is on Walmart hidden clearance. As you can see, there is no price marked on here that says $1, but most of them are $1, and some of them are even 50 cents. Now those on that side, I didn't find any of those hidden clearance, but these right here in the middle and these on the side over here are hidden clearance. Also in this same department that are on hidden clearance are these hats. These are summer items, so any summer items that y'all see, make sure to scan them. These right here are actually $3, and I've been overlooking them the whole time, including in my last TikTok video that I made. But these hats, again, these hats are $1, and it's the tan and white for sure, and this black and white. I call this one a Barbie hat. This makes me think of that, the swimsuit, the black and white Barbie swimsuit with this hat, and those really nice, cool vintage sunglasses that she has. But of course, I grabbed one of those, and I like to get this stuff off season, and that way I can have it for the upcoming season. I can be ahead on the game, and also I can put it away. Now these are some cover-ups, but y'all, I use these things in the fall too. They're not as thick as the ones for fall, but $3 is a steal. Over here, back to the hair clips. Again, 80% of these are on hidden clearance. Maybe 85% of these are hidden clearance. And I want to tell y'all today, my app was cutting up. It was giving me a message about barcode not found or something like that. This, or barcode found, but we don't sell this exact item, but consider this. So I'll show you guys a workaround a little later on in the video for finding the price on these when the scanner is messing up. But that one's $1. That pink one, the hot pink one right here, that one is also $1. I scanned these the other day and the app worked just fine. But for whatever reason, maybe they're doing some system updates or something when I made this video yesterday. Also, guys, if y'all ever want to know when I'm in the store doing these videos, or know how recent or whatever the video I made is, if you look up in the top left corner, it'll tell you the date and the time, because I do screen record when I scan the items. And some of those are full price, which is why it's really important to scan to make sure that you're actually getting a $1 item, or in this case, a 50-cent item. Because these to me are completely worth it at this price. These things make great stocking stuffers for the kids, or for yourself if you just have a lot of hair, or if you go to the gym. I know it's they're very useful. So again, some of these are full price. Some of those I found the other day for like $2, but maybe they were gone or something. I could have swore it was the cheetah ones. But again, why it's really important to scan is to make sure that you're getting items at a good price. Now on these headbands is when it really starts messing up. Now this one's going to show $1, but the next one that I scan is full price, and then after that, the rest of those that have that same pattern as that black one that I showed y'all, like that purple one you see there, the green one and the orange one, they are $1. See, barcode found. I don't know why it was doing that, but I'm gonna show y'all a workaround right now because I'm aggravated at this point. Go to the Scan and Go app. I think you have to have Walmart Plus membership, which isn't very expensive, and to me it's been worth it. And if you go in Scan and Go, it'll tell you how much it is on the Scan and Go app. So I did that a lot. Now I remove it from my cart if I don't purchase it. Of course, just make sure to do that before you go and pay for everything. If you're using the Scan and Go app, I love using the Scan and Go app. I'm gonna say I love it. I like it because I don't like that you still have to go to self-checkout. Even after you scanned everything, you still have to go scan some QR code at checkout. So you still got to stand in line. Like, I don't even understand the point of that. Anyhow, rant over about that. But these two right here are $1, y'all. Same thing. I just didn't want to do the workaround for everything that I found. Because I was planning on using Scan and Go. And one thing about that Scan and Go app, y'all, if you take stuff out repeatedly, when you get up to the thing, it's going to ask the cashier to come check it. So like I said, I already don't like that I even have to go to self-checkout. But if you keep adding stuff and removing it from the cart, when you get up there, before you're even able to pay, it's going to tell the attendant over there to come check your cart to make sure that you only got the items that, you say you got. Since it is almost Halloween, I started to scan some of these items. I try to scan things in different categories. So I scanned, I think, a costume, a tablecloth, a cup. I try to scan things Halloween themed, but in different departments, right? So I scanned this and I didn't find anything that was on hidden clearance or reduced at all yet. But next week I will be checking, because I want to get my hands on a couple of the things that can be used outside of Halloween, like leotards and stuff like that. Oh yeah, home decor, I checked that, and none of those were on hidden clearance at my store yet. But something else, speaking of it being at my store, check your store, because some people will have items on hidden clearance before I have them at my store hidden clearance. And then some people will have items full price when they're hidden clearance at my store. But things eventually go on hidden clearance at the stores. They just go on hidden clearance at different times. But let's see, Halloween is on the 31st. That's a Tuesday. So that Wednesday, November 1st, I'm planning on being here bright and early. I shouldn't have to scan anything. I'm pretty sure they'll already have it marked down that day. Pretty sure. But I'm going to make a list of things, or at least a mental note of things that I want, so I'll know where to go and scan. A tip for finding Walmart hidden clearance, like if you don't want to be like me and just go scan random stuff, or if there's nothing in particular that you're looking for and you go to the store, if you see any item that has a price tag where you see the original price like that one and then the reduced price, scan it, because it could be even less than the price that's listed on the tag. Now this one in this case was the correct price. Oh my God. My kid woke up and was standing behind me when I did that, but it was the right price. It was the right price. I've seen a lot of items that are furniture items on hidden clearance. So whenever I see an item or several items in a certain department that are hidden clearance like this, I scan just random items really. If it's nothing that I'm looking for, I just scan random items, and sometimes I find even more of those items on hidden clearance. Now in this case I didn't, but something else that I do, speaking of how I find hidden clearance, if there's something that I want but it costs too much, I will just scan it randomly whenever I go in Walmart. I'm always in Walmart. But if you don't just go for that unless you're just like me and just like to do that. But just whenever you're in Walmart, if there's something that you waiting on the price to go down, just randomly scan it. That's how I found these, and these were on hidden clearance. I just randomly scanned them, right? And the price of these, I made a TikTok about these, so y'all go check out my TikTok and y'all will see these things are way cheap. And the price, I think it just keeps going down, which is shocking because it's almost Christmas time. But yeah, those are hidden clearance items. Again, if you see a tag with this, it says was, and then it has a current price on it. It may be even cheaper than the current price that's listed on the tag. I just was done at this point fooling with that, because again, it kept happening all throughout the store. I live in the South, and most of the ethnic dolls are left over most of the time. And I'm not saying that's why. I really don't know why. But most of the ethnic dolls, if you were to scan those, a lot of those are typically hidden clearance or clearance out. And the thing about it is, if there's a ton of them left, you could wait till the price goes all the way down, because typically they're like some of the last things that are left on clearance and hidden clearance. Another tip for finding items on hidden clearance at Walmart is if the item has been in the store for a while and there's a ton of it left. So at my store, Legos aren't very popular, and these have been here a while. So I scan those, and sometimes I do find hidden clearance items in that department. I ain't gonna lie, it's rare, but sometimes I come across a gem. This is something that I've been watching for a while, and the price actually is half off, but I'm still waiting on it to get even cheaper. There's a couple of them left, so I'm not really feeling pressed about it. But I would like for it to get cheaper. This is a good price, but I want it to be cheaper. And like I said, I just scan this item each time I just happen to come in Walmart. Now I'm going to show you guys the process. So I decided that I wanted to get one of these fall cover-ups to match the hat that I got the last time that I was here. Of course, black goes with everything. So I was looking at a couple of the different black ones. I wanted one that wasn't so sheer. And I definitely didn't want a colorful one, not this time. So I do like this one right here, and I think that goes pretty well with the hat. Now this one right here is nice. I thought it was a plain black, but it kind of has like those little beads. I don't like those beads on there. So I'm going to grab me one of these cover-ups. This one right here is perfect. I love this one. It is a little sheer, but again, I'm just wearing it over clothes. Now we're just up at the front, and we're going to pay for it. And I'm going to show y'all just how simple this is. Don't ask a cashier. You don't need a cashier. It doesn't matter where you go to pay for it. Personally, I like self-checkout Because sometimes you'll find stuff on hidden clearance and then they don't want to let you buy it, even if it's $1. Now, I know they said stuff for 3 cents, they're not supposed to, but stuff for $1, there's no reason why they shouldn't let you.